Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple upside down cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then for the pineapple, you can use fresh, canned, or frozen that's been thawed ahead of time. If you're using fresh, make sure it's fully ripe and sweet and juicy because it will create a really crisp caramelized bottom once it bakes. So cut off the top and cut off the skin. Then cut it into thick slices. And use a small cookie cutter to cut out the core. In order to get a really nice brown bottom to the cake, it's best to use a cast iron pan. If not, just use a round cake pan, and it should be 2 inches deep and 9 or 10 inches in diameter. So add the butter into the pan and heat it on the stove until it's melted, or if you're using a cake pan, you can use softened or melted butter and just spread it evenly in the bottom of the pan. Once the butter is melted, remove it from the heat. Then sprinkle the brown sugar evenly over the top of it. Then add enough of the pineapple to cover the bottom of the pan. And if you like, add some maraschino cherries too. And set this aside for now. To make the cake batter, in a large bowl, add in the butter that's been melted and cooled, buttermilk that's at room temperature, eggs also at room temperature, and sugar, and whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, whisking as you add it in. Once all of it is added, mix it until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the pan. And bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is browned and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Don't let it cool too long in the pan or it will stick to the pan. Then run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Place your serving plate on top of it. And use a hot pad to handle it because it's still hot. And flip it over onto the plate, and it should just fall out onto the plate. And let it cool for a few more minutes. And you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make pineapple upside down cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.